Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Dreamy Jellyfish Coffee Umbrella in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, this is new item from the Call of Whales event in Heartopia, guys, and you can purchase the item from Annie. You can go to Annie right here. She's either at this portal or at the Willful Canyon. Now I'm right here in front of Annie and go to her store and open up the friendship store, and you'll see the Dreamy Jellyfish Coffee Umbrella right here, and I'm going to purchase one. Okay, done guys, and then we can use it to communicate with our friend. I don't know whether I can use here or not, or shoot at the Whale Canyon. Let's try together guys. Alright, I'm gonna use it. Oh, we can use it right here. So I think we can use it anywhere, not only at the Willful Canyon. And oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And here you can use to chat with strangers in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Dreamy Jellyfish Coffee Umbrella in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!